unlimited steak, guys. So check out this. Okay, dito. So imagine, guys, eating that steak unlimited. Grabe, di ba? So, ayun guys, isa sa mga amenities or ma-enjoy nyo dito sa Hotel SEOUL is yung kanilang noodle station.
Imagine na sa likod natin, you could DIY your own noodles.
Yes.
At the same time, pipili kayo for only around 200 to 250 pesos. And kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng unlimited toppings and mga mini buffet ng mga noodle station nila, just add 150 pesos.
150 pesos, unlimited.
Yes.
Grabe, guys. You can also, as in, walk in here. Kumbaga, ito lang pupuntahan ninyo, yung noodle station nila. No need to reserve ng room. Pwedeng-pwede yan dito.
Yes, available for walk-ins, yung mga naka-check-in, and syempre, gusto tumambay. So since noodles yung na-order natin, additional 150 pesos para makuha yung mga unlimited toppings. Ito kanilang mga bibimbap set. So available din to. Kasama rin yung kanilang dish and yung mga drinks nila. Second stop, itong kanilang cafe and bakery.
So, I can actually attest to you guys, isa sa mga napaka-eleganting cafe na nakita ko.
Yes, actually, the space is good. Napakalaki ng space.
Yes.
Luxurious
actually.
ng feeling.
Yes. So, dito guys, available yung mga breads and pastries natin, as you can see on our front. Sa likod naman natin guys, available yung mga drinks. So either go for a coffee,
AIDS, non-coffee. Available din yung mga nila, other menus like pizza, syempre yung mga egg sandwich na made in Korea siya.
There you go. Okay. So order na tayo ng pastries natin and then let's try them. Third stop, ito naman yung kanilang healing spa.
Healing spa. Meron silang mga water spa nila dito.
Yung mismong pool nila ay parang may mga sections in which you can actually enjoy.
So, imagine meron silang, kahit day tour ka lang, available sila dito. From 7 a.m. up to 6 p.m.
So, meaning no need for you guys to check in. If you wanna enjoy yung kanilang swimming pool, just walk in lang po kayo. At 599 pesos.
Yes, sa mga adults, it's 599 pesos. Sa mga kids naman, it's 399 pesos. And for 0 to 4 years old, it's free.
There you go. Alright, let's enjoy it. Right guys, so for our last stop, you notice guys, kanina nandito tayo for their noodle station.
Yes. Ngayon naman, sa kanilang unlimited buffet.
Yes, because starting at 6 p.m., they go unlimited for their dinner.
Yes, imagine for Friday and Saturday, they have unlimited steak and different variety of Korean food and Filipino food. At the same time, meron din tayong iba't ibang klaseng dessert.
So notice guys, again, no need for you to check in to try their unlimited dining, unlimited dinner. Pwede po dito yung walk-in. So how much yung rate natin?
Yeah, for walk-ins, during Friday, it's only 699 pesos. And for Saturday naman, 799 pesos. But if you reserve one day before para sa kanilang unlimited buffet, less 100 pesos.
Are you excited?
Actually, excited na ako to taste yung kanilang mga unlimited buffet ngayon dito.
Let's go guys!
Kapag kumakain tayo, let's talk about yung mga pinuntahan natin kanina.
Yes! So, grabe guys. Earlier, first stop po natin yung kanilang noodle station.
Yes.
So, as low as 200 pesos.
Different choices of noodles.
Grabe.
Kung gusto mo unlimited toppings plus 150 pesos.
150. And then next stop naman natin is yung kanilang cafe and bakery.
Yes.
Ako na-impress ako doon, bro.
The place.
And then the third stop is yung kanilang healing spa.
Which is yung day tour nila.
Correct.
For only 599 pesos, makakalibot ka na from 7 a.m. up to 6 p.m.
Take note guys, you can also use yung mga sauna nila. So meron silang dry sauna, wet sauna, they have an adult pool, and of course yung
Healing spa.
Healing spa that is very suitable for the whole family.
After nun, mag-enjoy tayo dun sa mga amenities nila. At syempre, itong fourth stop natin ay yung kanilang dinner buffet.
Guys, starting at 6 p.m., you're gonna enjoy the food until you drop all you can, only up until 9 p.m.
It is only from Friday and Saturday.
So guys, if you are interested to know more about this, go check out the fan page we include in this post and make sure to message them for your inquiries and other concerns.
Yeah, that's it.
And again, thank you so much Hotel SEOUL for inviting us. Grabe, another discovery that we want to really share to you guys.
Yes.
And hopefully you share it as well para po marami pang makakilala dito sa lugar na to, sa Pampanga.
Actually, this is another place to hang out.
Exactly.
With family.
With family. And barkada rin pwede.
Yes.
There you have it guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.